to use garlic and ginger to grow hair. Take 2-inch piece of ginger, 8 cloves of garlic, and 1/2 cup of carrier oil. In the next step, crush the garlic and ginger or throw them in a blender to get a fine pulp. Now, heat the carrier oil in a pan and add the garlic and ginger pulp to it. Afterward, heat the oil until the pulp starts to turn brown and then turn off the heat. Once the oil has cooled, strain it and discard the pulp. Take 2 tablespoons of the oil in a bowl and start to gently massage your scalp with it. After 15 minutes of massaging, cover the length of your hair in the oil and let it sit for an additional 30 minutes. In the end, wash it off with a mild shampoo. Conditioning is optional since the oil acts as a conditioner. For best results, repeat this remedy 3 times a week. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.